Assalamu alaikum, praise the Lord, TK, Namaste, Mujevale. Hope you're doing well, guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete, deactivate, and reactivate your Facebook account. So, the first thing that you're going to do, you have to make sure that you have downloaded the Facebook app on your phone. So once you have downloaded the Facebook app, you go ahead and do what? And you logged in. So I'm going to click on it. I'm already logged in. So once you're logged in, what you're going to do, you're going to click on this profile pic as you're seeing. When you click on the profile pic, it's going to display this interface. So under here, what you're going to do, you're going to expand or you're going to press the menu option. So you click on this icon. This is the menu icon. So when you click on it, as you're seeing, it's going to display this interface. So under here, you're going to click on personal details. So you click on personal details, it will display this information. So you scroll down, then you go ahead and click on under account settings. You go ahead and also click on person setting details as you're seeing. So once you click on personal details, as you're able to see here, it is going to display this menu. So under here, down the last option we have account ownership and control. So under this section, they're telling you that once you click on it, you'll be able to manage your data, modify your legal contact, deactivate, delete, or reactivate your accounts and profile. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this option. So I click on that arrow. So here it is the most vital and unique thing. So we have started now the main thing because we need to see how you're able to delete your Facebook account. So guys, if you're doing something at this moment, I request you to pay more attention. And once you finish this, you're going to see that you'll be able to delete your Facebook account if you want to delete. If you want to deactivate it, it's going to be deactivated. So, what do you want? So, we have three options as you're seeing. We have memorization. It's for this, the first option, you decide what happens to your main Facebook profile after you pass away. Then, deactivation or deletion, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles. Then reactivate your account and profile. For this, it works when you have before deactivated your account. So what I want this second option of deactivation and deletion, since I want to delete my account for uncalled for reasons. So I'm going to click on this. So when you click on it, it's going to display the account I want to delete. So here they're telling us to start the process, select what you would like to temporarily delete or permanently, not to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete. So I want to delete this account. So I'm going to select this account as you're seeing. So once you select the account, okay, so it will display this interface, deactivating or deleting your account. If you want to break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. So these are the options. If you want to temporarily have a break from Facebook for a certain period of time, you can simply deactivate. So once it's deactivated, they will not be able to see your profile again or account until you activate it for after a certain period of time. And the second option, we have delete. Deleting your account. When you delete your account, your main profile and everything you have had will permanently be deleted. You won't be able to access or retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, messenger, and all your messages will be deleted. So what I need to delete this account. So I'm going to click on, I select the option of delete, then I click continue. Once I click on continue, since on this account, I have a list of various profiles and pages. They're going to be also, they'll be listed down here since I want to delete. So deleting your Facebook account, you will also delete your additional profiles as well as pages where you are admin or personal with full control. To keep your pages active again, assign another admin or give someone full control of your pages. So if you don't want these pages to be controlled by anyone, you just click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, before you delete, we may be able to help. We are sorry to see you go. We would like to know why are deleting your account, as we may be able to help you with common issues. You may also continue with selecting a reason. So if maybe your account was hacked, if you don't feel safe, so it depends on you. If you no longer find Facebook useful, or if you spend too much time on Facebook, let me select the first option, then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, as you're able to see, okay, time spent on Facebook, we are sorry to see you go. Before you delete your account, there may be things that can do to help you do this and this and this. So manage notifications. So I'm going to click on continue. Once you click on continue here, permanently delete account. Once the process has begun, you won't be able to reactivate or so if you want to continue with the process, you can go ahead and do it. And if you want to permanently delete, you go ahead and click on what? Continue. So once you click on continue, you have to make sure that you re-enter the same password that you have been using in this account. So if you enter here the password, your account is going to be deleted, but it will be given a grace period of 30 days to be deleted, permanently deleted. So guys, that's how you're able to delete your Facebook account. And as you've seen, the steps are more similar if you want to deactivate or reactivate. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I send my shout outs to everyone who has watched this video from the beginning up to the end. And don't forget to share it with your friend. For those who haven't yet subscribed, subscribe for more and more tech videos like this. God bless you.